My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove malicious pop-ups related to this site, Scan-defender.live. Scan-defender.live is a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow, supposedly to help you continue your browsing, and some other versions of these pop-ups also try to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups, don't trust them and leave this page. I recommend you to additionally research this system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com. You will see this green download Combo Cleaner button, and Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems. Download the software, install the application, and then, once it is successfully installed, start researching your system with its help to detect and remove other threats. So, after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.